Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth lesson of the CrowPanel-ESP32 Terminal series. In this lesson, I will teach you how to create a small drawing board using the CrowPanel-ESP32 Terminal boards. Since the hardware configurations of ESP32 RGB screen and ESP32 SPI screen are different, this lesson will be divided into two parts. The first half will demonstrate how to create a small drawing board using ESP32 RGB screen board. For the demonstration, the second half is about the ESP32 SPI screen. You can choose which part to watch based on the board you are using. This course uses the compiler Arduino IDE 2.3.3. Download LovyanGFX library version 1.1.12. Open the course files and find the code used in Wiki. If you're not sure where to download the course files, please refer to bottom of Wiki, the board setting, which contains the download link. Open the code. I have added comments at the end of this section to indicate where modifications are needed. First, let's look at the included header files. We need to include 3 additional libraries. The wire library allows Arduino to communicate with IIC/TWI devices. The EFS library contains many utility functions for manipulating flash file systems. The SPI library is used for film selection. Disable the LovGL library that is not used in this lesson. Then scroll down to find the touch coordinate reading function, where 2 unsigned 16-bit integer variables are defined to store the current touch coordinate values. Call the function of drawing a solid circle in the LovyanGFX library, which can leave black traces where we slide. Next, you see the setup function, where the artboard background color is white. At the bottom of the setup function, mask the demo display. Then connect the display screen to the computer. Select the correct development board configuration and port. Click Upload to download the code to the development board. After that, you will be able to draw desired patterns on the display screen. The difference between ESP32 SPI screen code and ESP32 RGB screen code is only the hardware configuration part different. I have provided a demo here. The required attention in this lesson has been explained in detail in ESP32 RGB screen. If it is necessary, you can refer to the first half of this video. Connect the computer to the development board. Select the corresponding board configuration and port. Click Upload and wait. After the download is completed, restart the development board. Then we can draw any picture we want on the ESP32 RGB screen. This class ends here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.